Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. I am so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, welcome. We are really glad you joined us. Today we have a very interesting and very useful topic.
That is right. Today, we are going to talk about talking in an elevator.
Now, you might be thinking, why do I need to learn how to talk in an elevator? It's such a small thing.
That is a great point. But actually, elevator conversations are very common in the USA, and for many beginners, they can feel very uncomfortable.
Yes, imagine you are standing in a small space with a stranger. You do not know what to say, it feels awkward, you look at your phone, you look at the ceiling, you feel nervous.
This happens to a lot of people, even Americans. But with the right phrases, you can handle elevator conversations easily and confidently.
And that is exactly what we are going to teach you today. We will go slow, step by step, with real example conversations and key phrases.
So let us start from the beginning. First, let's understand what an elevator is and when you use it.
An elevator is a small enclosed room that moves up and down inside a building. It carries people from one floor to another. In British English, it is called a lift, but in American English, we always say elevator.
You use elevators in apartment buildings, office buildings, hotels, hospitals, shopping malls, and many other places. In the USA, elevators are everywhere.
Now, the interesting thing about elevator culture in America is this. Americans do talk in elevators. It is called small talk. Small talk means casual, friendly conversation about everyday topics.
Small talk is very important in American culture. Americans use it all the time, in elevators, in waiting rooms, at bus stops, and in many other everyday situations.
In an elevator, small talk is usually very short. Remember, you are only in the elevator for maybe 30 seconds or 1 minute, so the conversation is brief, friendly, and simple.
Perfect for beginners. Short sentences, easy words, friendly tone. You can do this.
Let us now talk about the most common things people say when they get into an elevator. The first thing you might say or hear is a simple greeting.
When you step into an elevator and someone is already there, you can simply say, "Hi," or "Hello," or "Good morning," depending on the time of day.
The other person will usually say the same thing back. For example, "Hi, how are you?" or "Good morning." This is a very natural exchange.
You do not need to have a long conversation. Even just saying hello and smiling is enough. That's perfectly acceptable in America.
But sometimes the conversation goes a little further, and that's where small talk comes in. Let's talk about the most common small talk topics in an elevator.
The number one topic Americans talk about in elevators is the weather. Weather is a safe, neutral topic. It does not cause any disagreement. Everyone experiences the weather.
You might say, "Can you believe this weather today?" Or, "It is so cold outside today, right?" Or, "Beautiful day out there, isn't it?"
These are called conversation openers. They invite the other person to respond, and they are very easy to understand and reply to.
If someone says, "Beautiful day out there, isn't it?" you can simply say, "Yes, it really is. I love sunny days." Or, "It sure is. Finally, some nice weather."
That is it. 2 or 3 sentences, and the conversation is complete, simple, and friendly.
The second common topic is the building or the floor. For example, if someone gets into the elevator and presses a floor button, you might say, "Going up?" or "Which floor?"
Or if you are in an office building and you see a coworker, you might say, "Long day today?" or "Heading home for the day?"
These small questions show that you are friendly and approachable. They do not require long answers, just a short, casual response.
Okay, let us now do our first full example conversation. Imagine you are in an apartment building elevator. I am a resident, and speaker 2 is a neighbor I have never met before.
Great, here we go.
Good morning. Going up?
Good morning. Yes, I'm going to the 8th floor. How about you?
I'm on the 10th floor. Are you new to the building? I don't think I've seen you before.
Yes, I just moved in last week. I'm in apartment 8B. My name is Daniel.
Oh, welcome to the building. I'm Lisa. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Lisa. Everyone here seems very friendly.
Oh, yes, it's a great building. I have lived here for 3 years. I love it. Well, this is my floor. Welcome again, Daniel.
Thank you so much, Lisa. Have a great day.
You too. See you around.
That was a wonderful elevator conversation. Did you notice? It was friendly, natural, and short. And look at all the great phrases that were used.
Let's highlight them. First, going up. This is a very classic elevator question. It means, are you going to a higher floor?
Second, are you new to the building? This is a great way to start a conversation when you see someone you haven't met before.
Third, I just moved in last week. This is how you respond when someone asks if you are new. You can also say, I just moved here recently.
Fourth, welcome to the building. This is a warm and friendly thing to say to a new neighbor. Americans love to welcome people warmly.
Fifth, see you around. This is a casual way to say goodbye. It means I will probably see you again sometime. It is very commonly used in apartment buildings and offices.
These 5 phrases are very useful. Practice them at home. Say them out loud until they feel easy and natural.
Now let us talk about another common elevator situation, being in an elevator at work or in an office building.
At work, you might share an elevator with coworkers, your boss, or even clients. This can feel a little more formal than talking to a neighbor.
But the same rules apply. Be friendly, keep it short, use simple, positive topics.
At work, common things to say in an elevator are Happy Monday, or Almost Friday, or How was your day going?
Almost Friday is a very American thing to say. It means the weekend is almost here. Americans look forward to the weekend, so this phrase always gets a smile.
You might also talk about something happening in the office. For example, did you see the email about the team meeting? Or big presentation today, right?
These topics are easy because both people already know the context. You work in the same place, so you have shared topics to talk about.
Perfect. Let us do a quick office elevator conversation. I will be an employee, and speaker 1 will be my coworker.
Hey, good morning. How are you doing?
Good morning. I'm doing well. A little tired. It is Monday, you know.
I know exactly how you feel. At least it's a short week, right? We have Thursday off for the holiday.
Oh, yes, I almost forgot. That's great. Only 4 days to get through.
Exactly. Well, this is my floor. Have a good one.
You too. See you at the meeting later.
See you then.
Perfect. That felt so natural, right? Short, friendly, easy words.
And notice, have a good one. This is a very American casual goodbye. It means have a good day. Americans say it all the time.
Another common goodbye phrase is, take it easy. This means relax and enjoy your time. It's casual and warm.
Now let us talk about something very important, what to do when you do not want to talk in an elevator, because sometimes that happens too.
Yes, sometimes you are tired. Sometimes you are in a hurry. Sometimes you just do not feel like talking, and that is completely okay.
In America, it's acceptable to be quiet in an elevator. You do not have to talk. Looking at your phone or looking straight ahead is normal.
But there are polite ways to signal that you're not in the mood for conversation. For example, if someone starts talking and you want to keep it short, you can give a brief answer and then smile and look away.
For example, if someone says, crazy weather today, right? You can say, yeah, really, and then smile and look at your phone. Most people will understand that you're busy.
The key is always be polite, even if you don't want to talk. A small smile goes a long way. Americans appreciate warmth, even without words.
Now, let us talk about some very specific situations in elevators that beginners might find tricky.
The first situation, you need to get out, but someone is blocking the door. What do you say?
You say, excuse me, this is my floor, or sorry, can I get through? People will immediately move out of the way. It is very normal and no one minds.
The second situation, you get into a crowded elevator. What do?
You say, room for one more? With a smile. If there's space, people will say, sure, or move to make room. If it is too full, they might say, sorry, it's full, next one, and you wait for the next elevator.
The third situation. You accidentally press the wrong floor button. What do you say?
You can say, "Oops, sorry about that. I pressed the wrong floor." And people will usually laugh a little and say, "No worries," or "It happens." Americans are very understanding about small mistakes.
The fourth situation. The elevator is very slow or stops unexpectedly. What do you say?
You can say, "This elevator is taking forever," with a smile. Or, "I think it is stopping on every floor today." These are lighthearted comments that invite a laugh or friendly agreement.
Americans love lighthearted humor in awkward situations. A small joke or funny comment can break the silence and make everyone feel more comfortable.
Okay, let us do one more complete conversation. This time, let us imagine we are in a hotel elevator. I'm a hotel guest, and speaker 2 is another guest I am meeting for the first time.
Perfect. Let's go.
Hi there. What floor?
Hi. 7, please. Thank you.
Sure, I'm on 9. Are you here for the weekend?
Yes, just a short trip. My wife and I are celebrating our anniversary. How about you?
Oh, how wonderful. Congratulations. I'm here for a business conference. This is a beautiful hotel, right?
It really is. The rooms are so nice. Have you tried the restaurant downstairs?
Not yet. Is it good?
It's amazing. The breakfast buffet is incredible. You should definitely try it.
Oh, I will. Thank you for the recommendation. Well, this is my floor. Enjoy your anniversary trip.
Thank you so much. Enjoy your conference.
Thank you. Have a wonderful stay.
That was such a warm and natural conversation. And it happened in less than 1 minute, just like a real elevator ride.
Notice how the conversation flowed. One question led to another. One topic connected to the next. That's how small talk works. You start with something simple, like, "What floor?" And before you know it, you are having a real friendly conversation.
Let us now do our final review of all the key phrases from today. Repeat each one after us for the best practice.
First, good morning, going up. Good morning, going up.
Second, are you new to the building? Are you new to the building?
Third, welcome to the building. Welcome to the building.
Fourth, have a good one. Have a good one.
Fifth, almost Friday. Almost Friday.
Sixth, excuse me, this is my floor. Excuse me, this is my floor.
Seventh, room for one more. Room for one more.
Eighth, oops, sorry, I pressed the wrong floor. Oops, sorry, I pressed the wrong floor.
Ninth, see you around. See you around.
And 10th, enjoy your stay. Enjoy your stay.
10 powerful phrases for elevator conversations. Learn these and you will feel completely ready for any elevator situation in the USA.
Remember, elevator conversations are short. They are friendly. They are simple. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to be warm and polite.
A smile, a hello, and 1 or 2 friendly sentences. That's all it takes. Americans appreciate the effort, and they will always respond kindly.
And the more you practice, the easier it gets. Every elevator ride is a tiny opportunity to practice your English and connect with someone new.
So the next time you step into an elevator, do not look at your shoes. Do not bury your face in your phone. Look up, smile, and say, "Good morning. Going up?"
You will be amazing. We know it. One small conversation at a time, your English will grow stronger and more confident.
Thank you so much for listening to today's podcast. We hope it was helpful, fun, and easy to follow.
Listen again if you want more practice. Pause and repeat each phrase. The more you say them, the more natural they will feel.
And join us next time for another everyday English topic that will help you feel comfortable and confident in the USA.
Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and never stop learning.
Take care, everyone. See you next time.